Hello boys and girls, for today's lesson, we are still in Unit 9 on holiday. We are looking into simple past tense and to be specific how to construct sentences. So we are looking into sentence structure. Alright, move on to the next slide. Okay, so basically there are 4 pictures given to you with 4 different actions. Okay, if you look at the first picture, so a girl find a shell. So find for present tense, for past tense we said found. And then for the second picture, so a girl and a boy, they are looking at fishes. So look. So for the past tense we say look. And then the third picture, so a girl and a boy swim in a sea. So swim for present tense. For past tense we said swam. And then the last one, a girl is eating or enjoying her cake. So eat is for present tense and past tense will be ate. Okay, so let's look at the example, how to make the sentence. So just now was just the verb or the action that they do. Now we'll look at into the sentence. Okay, so for picture number 1, she finds the shell. So this is for present tense. So we use finds. I put S here because the subject here is singular. So if I put they, I just use find without S. Okay, so she finds the shell. Now I want to change it into past tense sentence. I need to change the verb. So she found the shell yesterday. Okay, look at the second one. They look at the fish. So this is present tense. And the past tense would be they look at the fish yesterday. So you see the verb is changing. Look with ed. Okay. And the third one, they swim in the sea. They swam in the sea yesterday. Okay. And the last one, she eats the cake. She ate the cake yesterday. Alright. So for past tense and present tense, the verb is changing. Okay, next one, we'll see. Okay, now I want to change it into negative sentence. Just now was positive sentence whereby they do the action. So we call them positive sentence. If they don't do the action, it is called negative sentence. Now let's just look at the example given here. So she found the shell yesterday. See, this picture shows that she found the shell yesterday. So what if I want to change it to say that she didn't find the shell? So she didn't find. I have to use find. I cannot use found. Why? It is because I have used did not or didn't to show that it is in a past tense. Okay, so for present tense, I will use she don't find. But now found here is past tense, so I need to change it into past tense. She didn't find the shell yesterday. Okay, now we look at the second example. The same thing. This sentence, the first sentence is in the past tense. The second sentence is also in past tense, but the first sentence shows that they do the action. They look at the fish yesterday. See, they look at the fish yesterday. So if I want to say that they don't look at the fish, I'll just say like they didn't look at the fish yesterday. Okay, and the third one, the third picture, they swam in the sea yesterday. So they didn't swim in the sea yesterday. And the fourth one, she ate the cake yesterday. So if I want to say she don't eat it, she didn't eat the cake yesterday. So you see, we use the original word after we use didn't. Okay. Alright, now let's move on to the activity. Alright, now this is the activity that you're going to complete today. So the same pictures given to you like in the previous slide. So Katie, look, swam, found, ate. Yeah, Katie found a shell. And then Steve and Serena look. So they look at the fish yesterday. Angie and Peter swam in the C. And the last one, N. Ate her mom's favorite, her mom's chocolate cake. Okay. Alright, so these words are all in past tense. Alright, move on to the next one. So this one you have to construct sentences. Okay, you look at the first picture. Do they make omelette or do they make sandwiches? So they are making sandwiches. So they didn't make omelets. Okay, they didn't make omelets. They made sandwiches. You see, you have to change make into past tense because it's in the past. So M-A-K-E, and it has changed into M-A-D-E. Past tense of make is made. This one you didn't change because there is a word didn't here. Remember? After didn't, we use the original verb. Okay? So, the second one, does she see a snake or does she see a shark? So, she didn't see a snake. It's not a snake. She didn't see a snake. She saw a shark. So, you change see into saw. Alright, so did he buy postcard or did he take photos? No, he didn't buy postcard. He took photos. Alright, if I am going too fast, you can pause this video at this instant and try to read the sentences. Alright. Okay, so I think that's all for today's lesson. I will give you a link for the live worksheet task, so you can do the exact same thing. This one, the first activity, and the second activity in the live worksheet. Alright, so for those who have the module with you, you can just do it on your module. For those who does not have the module, you can click on the live worksheet link and answer or complete the task there. Right, I think that's all from me. So I hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you.